Hello guys, welcome back. Today is 87th day of our 100 days of challenge of Adobe, and today we are going to make this. So let's get started. So here we are in After Effects. I have dragged my logo because we are going to need it. Now create a new composition. Let's create a new composition 1920 by 1080, 30 frame rate, 20 time duration. Hit OK. Now create a new solid, name it as fractal. OK, now type for fractal noise, apply it on it, change it to the fractal type to max, go to transform, let's uncheck uniform scaling, let's make the height to 1000 like this. Now let's just animate the evolution, add a keyframe on evolution and on offset turbulence on first second, go to the last second, make the evolution 180 opposite, and let's just drag this value like something this, let's make it 1000 and 1800. Yeah, perfect. Now drag your logo inside. Okay, let's change its color to white. Let's apply fill. If your logo is black, you can just invert it, but I am showing the way. Scale, let's just scale it to the center like this. Okay, fine. Now select the fractal, pre-compose, move all attributes. Okay, same for the logo, pre-compose, move all attributes, select the fractal comp, make the track matte to alpha matte. Yeah, now select the fractal composition, search for glass, apply it, go to the surface, make it to logo composition, lightness, let's make the softness to 40. Let's just try to increase the height just a little bit, just 30, or yeah, 30 will be fine. Now go to the shading, ambient 0, diffuse also 0, specular 100%, roughness just by some, let's make it like 0.5, metal 0. Now another effect, Globalize, apply it below the CC glass, go to Globalize, select the blobby layer to logo. Let's just make the cutaway to 0 and let's just increase the softness like this. Okay, now go to shading, same, ambient 0, diffuse 0. This time let's keep the specular 100, roughness let's make it 0.5. yeah, and let's just keep metal as it is. Now let's animate the light, go to the light of CC glass, add keyframe on light height, go to the middle of your timeline and let's just do one thing, open the keyframes by pressing U. Let's just drag this first keyframe here and at first of timeline let's make it -60, means it will start fading in like this. Perfect. Now let's just do one thing, select both of the compositions, press Ctrl D to duplicate it, select the below fractal noise and change the light color to black to get a nice extrusion depth effect. Now select the upper fractal noise, press U, the white one, select both of the keyframes, drag them a little bit forward to get a difference in both of the layers. Now select the logo, which is the red one's alpha matte, select the logo, let's search for radial, search for radial blur. Here apply it, let's make the type to fading zoom, amount let's make it 30, yeah, fine, and let's just quality, let's make it to full up to 100 like this. Yeah, fine. Now you can see we have this nice looking extrusion depth here. Let's just decrease some amount just a little bit like this. We can just scale it just a little bit to get it inside effect like this. Yeah, fine. Now you can see we have a nice extrusion depth effect. Now let's do one thing. Now create a new null object, select all of the layers, so take the pick whip tool and pick whip to the null object, select the null object, press S to scale. At the end, let's make it 100, and at the start let's just decrease it up to 70, not just too much, like this. A scale in effect, looking nice though. Or you can just scale it a little bit more. Let's try to make it 60. Yeah, perfect. If you want to increase your logo, just go here and increase the logo. If you want to change the logo, just replace the logo here. It will change automatically with all settings here. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have learned to create this nice looking logo. So don't forget to like the video. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe the channel. So let's meet tomorrow again. Till then, stay safe, take care, and keep watching the channel.
I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things.